Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add to cart button in Shopify down theme. So the first step you need to do is to open Shopify, click on your online store and select the theme, and it will open the theme page. And here you can see down theme. You simply need to click on customize. So once you are on that page, you simply need to click here on the top, that is catalog, and here you need to click on home page on the top and click on collections and click on default collections. Wait for a few seconds so that it will open, and here you can see all your collections, but there is no add to cart, so you simply need to select your collection. Scroll down here, and here in quick add you simply need to click on standard. Wait for a few seconds. Now you can see that add to cart button is showing for all the products, and then you need to click on save and publish. So this is the process how you can add to cart button in Shopify down theme. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.